Today's top news headlines. Nada to visit Manipur as rift within BJP widens ahead of assembly polls. MPCC General Secretary Marembam Prithviraj Singh joins BJP ahead of polls. And unknown miscreants lob hand grenade at Pradhan's house, no casualties. We are collectively facing a pandemic threat that is sweeping across the humanity beyond oceans and borders. Considering the seriousness of COVID-19, it's about time we step up against this deadly disease. Maintain a safe distance from others even if they don't appear to be sick. Wear a mask in public, especially indoors or when physical distancing is not possible. Choose open, well-ventilated spaces over closed ones. Clean your hands often. Use soap and water or an alcohol-based hand rub. Get vaccinated when it's your turn. Follow local guidance about vaccination. Cover your nose and mouth with your bent elbow or a tissue when you cough or sneeze. Stay home if you feel unwell. Hello, good evening. You're watching PONYTV English News at 6:30 p.m. This is LAKSMIBAI giving you the news in details. As rift within Manipur BJP widens ahead of assembly polls, BJP National President JP Nada is scheduled to arrive in Manipur tomorrow on a two-day tour to the northeastern state. Nada's visit to Manipur comes amid growing discontent among BJP MLAs against incumbent Chief Minister Biren Singh. There are resentment among tribal legislators and demands from BJP allies for more portfolios in the state cabinet. MLAs of BJP's ally, the NPP National People's Party, seem to be unhappy with the unilateral functioning of Chief Minister Biren Singh. Manipur is among the 6 BJP-ruled states that will go to assembly elections next year. Nada, during his course of stay in Manipur, is likely to meet and hold discussions with all MLAs of the BJP-led coalition government in the state. The BJP National President will also take stock of the Saffron Party's preparation for the upcoming assembly elections. On October 2, Manipur CM Biren Singh was in Delhi, where he called on BJP National President JP Nada and discussed about several important of the party and the state. In another blow to the opposition Congress in Manipur ahead of the 2022 Manipur Assembly polls, Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC General Secretary and former MLA of Moirang constituency Marembam Prithviraj Singh today joined BJP. He was welcomed to the Saffron Party during a function at Classic Grande, Chungmairong, Imphal. Chief Minister and BJP leader N. Biren Singh, State BJP Unit President Sharda Devi, BJP National Spokesperson Sambit Patra, MLA Sarat Avegiri, General Secretary Organization of Manipur and Nagaland, and Union Minister Pratima Vaumik were present on the occasion. State BJP President A. Sharda Devi during the program stated that the trust of the people in BJP is snowballing. BJP is quite different party from other parties, she said, and added that today is one of the happiest moments of BJP Manipur Pradesh. Chief Minister N. Biren on the occasion said BJP is known via its works and activities. He mentioned that the center had been producing and providing free vaccine and free rice to every Indian during the pandemic. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is a living legend, Biren said. BJP is a people-friendly party, he said, and expressed confidence that the BJP will get absolute majority in the 2022 State Assembly polls.
The BJP difference from other parties. Have to do other Prime Minister India will internationally live changes, recognition, respect. Bharat the life change. Even the pandemic, certain pandemic, Many report. Which we may have known hardly report. Bharat is that Toga, Bharat Praza, lying with another, which we never sound when we try to Hidaka peanut the way. Sooner leaders, I don't know, sometimes living isn't. I know, honorable practice is a Germany.
The CCI Yoina, Yamna, Laibupa Madinu, I don't know, Haizabutare. Madam D. Mayana Kambi, I see Congress की third generation दुम्बा family दे लाग सकती grandfather father दुबेहा आई father की मारी whole political career Congress party दा दुम रहेगा Congress party दे लोग सिंगी बा लेकिन सी है ना आई electoral politics और हम लोग ठहरने जा रहे election अभी माई पाए अम्मा माई की हुई party की वजह organization दा youth Congress मणिपुर state Congress की president हुई ना या close हुई ना श्री राहुल गांधी जी की मखादा walk तो जरा Hoji party president ayung asing asai akoi Shri Sabit Pata ji na thambi ki thuni Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee ke general secretary wabidam ta spokesperson aduga achomba daita lawur tawjarami adu ngasi hakna Bharatiya Janata Party da kari damakta thajaba thumang changpano hai mitang dai lai ni undang thamjage ahan bada ai last 3-4 ngasi kudak da loba decision natte ai hakna as a congressman yam kanna akoi Mamang 2017 election
Unidentified miscreants hurled a hand grenade at the residence of Changamdabi Gram Panchayat Pradhan early morning, but it did not explode. A report said a hand grenade was found at the residence of Changamdabi Gram Panchayat Pradhan Wahida, wife of former Pradhan Muhammad Kamaruddin, aged 50 years, son of Muhammad Siraj Ahmad of Yaripok Changamdabi Lekai in Imphal East. A team of Andhra Police Station along with a bomb disposal squad retrieved the grenade and defused at Sagolho Hill at around 9:48 a.m. No group has claimed responsibility. Manipur Heart Foundation, Sky Hospital and National Health Mission Manipur have jointly started a tele-cardio service to heart patients in Chandel and Senapati district hospitals. As a pilot project, Manipur Heart Foundation Sky Hospital will organize the free medical program for 3 months. Manipur Heart Foundation Sky Hospital Managing Director L. Syam Kishore told journalists that many heart patients have died due to absence of timely medical intervention, especially in the hills. The hospital is providing a telecardio service to help heart patients. He further informed that the service will be given to Churachandpur district also.
Heart attack in particular and heart diseases are the commonest cause of death in human society. Heart disease treatable early diagnosis early accurate diagnosis early urgent treatment first aid treatment that helps save lives. Said that how to achieve that goal.
Now we have a short break. Stay tuned.
Occasion singidamakta makhal kya gi cake haibadi photo cake, layer cake, brunch cake, barbie cake, fruit topping cake, cupcakes sina chingba fongbigani amadi adomgi apamba mawongda cake customize tawbagi khudong chabasu pisari. Khudong chabasing asi lawbinabagi damakta lensing birau aikhoigi address NG College Road near Naurangtong. Phone number 9864112972. Aikhoigi online partner Food Wi-Fi amasung Food Web tagisu order tawiba yagani.
Welcome back. The tempo of election campaigns is gradually rising in Manipur. Door-to-door campaigns and local-level meetings have begun both in the hills and valley. Lobbying of political party tickets has also become quite hectic now among the intending candidates. Manipur goes to assembly elections in the early part of next year. Meanwhile, the Election Commission of India (ECI) yesterday held a video conference with the district election officers (DEOs) of all the districts of the state of Manipur and concerned officers of the Office of Chief Electoral Officer Manipur. In the video conference, the Deputy Election Commissioner Nitesh Vyas discussed the status of poll preparedness and special summary revision in the state, as well as the responsibilities of the DEOs and successful conduct of the election, a DIPR report said. According to the report, the agenda which were discussed during the meeting include refining of electoral rolls and EPIC-related issues, polling stations rationalization, human resource, training of operation of EVM and VVPATs, training of election manpower, election material, law and order and district-specific issues during Legislative Assembly election 2017, enrollment of 18 to 21 age group voters, among others. A mass cycle rally was organized to mark 66th Wildlife Week by Environmental Social Reformation and Sangay Protection Forum in collaboration with AMUCO and MSF in Cabulamjao National Park area today. The cycle rally was flagged off by LDA Project Director L. Vagaton from Kordak Nongmaikong Public Ground and ended at Cabulamjao. Trees were also planted during the program. Over 200 people participated in today's cycle rally. Poiray Laimarol Mairapaibi Apunba Manipur President Ima Memchobi, AMUCO President PH Nando Luang, All Manipur Women's Voluntary Organization President Y Kunjarani, Kumbi College President K Jugeswar, Jila Parisat Tain Wangu Borayangbi GP Member Marang Mayum Brozen, Environmental Social Reformation and Sangay Protection Forum President Tongbram Budi, Environment and Ecology Affairs Secretary Kaidem Robin Kanta, MSF leader Soibam Tomba and social worker Itai participated in the rally. Divisional Forest Officer Jiribam Forest Division today observed the 66th Wildlife Week 2021 on the theme Wildlife, Nature and Human Existence. The function was held at Ucha Tol DFO Complex. Jiribam Forest Division Wildlife Warden Huiram Rajan Kumar Singh and Divisional Forest Officer Jiribam District Rajesh Daret attended the program. Wildlife Warden Rajan Kumar Singh during the program said the key reason behind losing habitat in 2021 is due to massive deforestation, which is clearly written in the school books. He added that the animal rescue team of Jiribam has so far rescued 11 wild animals which were released at proper places.
Wildlife rescue team Animal rescue team na ngasi phawda eleven sure di tona handagi thamga lai kogi slogan competition essay writing debate quiz kalgum matandana food rally cycle rally sai kutingi tongan mongda pangthukung lakha santi am chamna covid pandemic matam ko wa ta pang nanga sum thabak oi di pangthuk adu bagi Posi tawaning dabadagi Jiribam Forest Division matamamada tumina leiramlagasu sahi kharasi 2015 16 17 daidagi yam active oina Jiribamda akogi India natural habitat that we.
On the occasion, DFO Rajesh Daret stated that protecting wildlife is one of the fundamental rights of the people.
Wildlife के बारे में जब महात्मा गांधी जी से पूछा था कि आप बताइए कि क्या हो सकता है, तो उन्होंने एक ही बोला था कि जब हमारी कंट्री आज़ाद हो रही है तो उस कंट्री की पहचान उसके एनिमल्स फ्लोरा फौना को कैसे मेंटेन करते हैं उसके बलबूते पर ही उसी कंट्री की पहचान हो जाती है.
Quiz competition was also held to mark the event. Prizes were given to the winners. A youth convention of Karembikok was held at Karembikok Makhalekai today. Wangzing Tenta MLA P. Brozen Singh chaired the convention. International fashion designer Robert Narem showcased ethnic Manipuri designs at the Dubai final edition of Fashion Show. Robert Narem showcased his intricate designs with the title of Bridal Story. His collection enthralled the crowd. Two dancers, namely Sapana and Andy Lishram, together performed a weaving dance at the final edition of Dubai Fashion Show.
Put your hands for the man behind this brilliant collection, designer Robert Narem.
Now we have another short break. Stay tuned.
The NDA government of Manipur is working with full dedication to fulfill PM Modi's mission to bring clean water to every rural household in the country. CM N. Biren Singh has already announced that potable water would reach all households in rural Manipur by 2022. How ambitious this task is can be gauged from the fact that when the National Jal Jeevan Mission was launched on August 15, 2019, only 5.74% rural households in Manipur had tap water connections. This meant that out of 4,51,566 such households, only 25,920 had functional household tap connection. But in just 2 years, that number has grown to 2,35,628. That is from 5.74% to 52.18%. 284 villages and 255 panchayats have already achieved 100% FHDC status. Such has been the seriousness of the government that two remote villages close to the Myanmar border, Khangbarol and Khengjoy, have also been provided full regular water supply. These villages were once severely infected with insurgency, but now all 155 families there have tap water supply. Despite the massive COVID-19 outbreak slowing down the progress, CM N. Biren Singh is determined to provide every household potable water supply by next year. As PM Modi aims to bring clean water to every home in the country by 2024, CM Singh is ensuring Manipur is at the forefront of this mission.
Welcome back. A hardcore cadre of the proscribed Hindu Tribe National Liberation Council (HNLC) surrendered before Meghalaya police at Kliariat in East Jaintia Hills district yesterday. Informing this, Meghalaya Home Minister LAKSMIBAI said Emmanuel Suchen joined the HNLC in 2002 and was arrested in 2008. Where he was jailed for 3 years under MPDA, and after that again went back to the outfit. However, better sense has prevailed, so today he surrendered himself to the police, the Home Minister said. On the other hand, Rimbui informed that preliminary interrogation has revealed that Shuzin was involved in the IED blast in Star Cement and Police Reserve at Kliariat. So the interrogation is going on to know the full details, he said. The Home Minister, however, said that due to process of law will be taken as deemed fit by the police department. A man was arrested by Meghalaya police yesterday for his alleged involvement in planting an IED in front of the National People's Party (NPP) office, even as Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma has assured to provide enough security to all candidates of different political parties contesting the upcoming by-elections to the 3 assembly seats slated for October 30. Speaking to media persons, Sangma said that one arrest has been made and police are interrogating the accused person. Sangma assured that all measures will be taken to ensure all candidates of different political parties are given enough security. On the outfit threatening to shoot ministers of the MDA government, the Chief Minister said threat may be there, but the agencies are doing their work. Vice President of India, Venkaiah Naidu, expressed his joy visiting the Northeast region, being one of the richest bioreserved regions in the world. The Vice President encouraged the people to protect, preserve, and continue to give top priority in research in the Northeast region. The Vice President said this upon arriving in Dimapur yesterday. Nagaland Chief Minister Nephew Ryo and Deputy Chief Minister Y. Patton received the Vice President of India, Venkaiah Naidu, on his arrival at Dimapur Airport. On arrival at Dimapur Airport, the Vice President was accorded the Guard of Honor by 15 NAP Mahila Battalion under the Guard command of Assistant Commandant Madam Kala Judir, Chief Secretary J. Alam, DGP John Longkumar, DZ Dimapur, Rajesh Soundarajan, CP Dimapur, Rotihu Techio, and other officers were also present to receive the Vice President at the airport. Ashish Mishra, son of Union Minister Ajay Mishra, has failed to appear before the SIT Special Investigation Team probing the violence that broke out at Lakhimpur Kheri on October 3 during a farmers' protest. According to reports, Ashish Mishra has fled to Nepal. Ashish was summoned to appear at 10 a.m. at the Crime Branch office in the Reserve Police lines on Friday. However, he failed to turn up at the given time. According to reports, the police had been tracking Ashish Mishra's mobile phone and his location was found to be near Gauri Fanta on the Uttar Pradesh-Nepal border. We have alerted our counterparts in Uttarakhand and also Nepal, and teams have been set up to search for him, a senior police official was quoted as saying by news agency IANS. Before we wrap up, let's take a look at the top news headlines again. Nada to visit Manipur as rift within BJP widens ahead of assembly polls. MPCC General Secretary Marembam Prithviraj Singh joins BJP ahead of polls. And unknown miscreants lob hand grenade at Pradhan's house, no casualties. Thank you for watching PONYTV English News. Keep watching for more updates.